Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is live. Here's a picture of a family living in a home. Here is live in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Live means to make one's home in a particular place or with a particular person. Live. Past progressive was living, past lived. Present progressive living, present live, future will live. Let's build a sentence. They lived. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. They lived. How did they live? They lived quietly. Let's build a sentence. They lived quietly. Where? Where did they live? They lived quietly in a house. Okay. They lived quietly in a house. Let's build a sentence. They lived quietly in a house. Where? Where is the house? In the forest. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. They lived quietly in a house in the forest. Why? Why did they live in the forest quietly? To hide. That's interesting. Let's build a sentence. They lived quietly in a house in the forest to hide. Why? Why were they hiding? From the zombies. Wow! They lived quietly in a house in the forest to hide from the zombies. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.